Endothelium also has anticoagulant properties, which means it inhibits the coagulation process. In the word anticoagulant, anti means against and coagulant means clotting. Endothelial cells have heparin-like molecules, also known as heparan sulfate. This heparan sulfate molecules binds to the antithrombin 3 and activates it. The activated antithrombin 3 inactivates the thrombin activated factor 10 and activated factor 9. So now you will ask, what are these substances? Thrombin is an active enzyme that converts fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrin forms the fibrin strand which make a mesh or network that covers the platelets to form a clot. Factor 10 and factor 9 are involved in the coagulation cascade, which I will explain later in this video. Next is a thrombomodulin that is present on the surface of healthy endothelial cells. It is called a thrombomodulin because it modulates the or alters the function of thrombin. Normally, thrombin is an active enzyme that is procoagulant, meaning it favors the coagulation. Here, procoagulant means a substance that promotes or favors the clot formation. Pro means in the favor of and coagulant means coagulation. But once the thrombomodulin binds with the thrombin, thrombin converts from a procoagulant form into an anticoagulant form. This anticoagulant form of a thrombin now activates the protein C with the help of its cofactor protein S, and this activated protein C inhibits the clotting by eating up or degrading the activated factor 5 and factor 8 and factor 7. Now, healthy endothelial cells have a fibrinolytic properties. Fibrinolytic means lysis or breakdown of a fibrin mesh or fibrin strand. Endothelial cells produce a substance called a tissue plasminogen activator, or we call it TPA. You will ask, what does this tissue plasminogen activator do? There is a protein called a plasminogen which comes from the liver and is present in the blood. This tissue plasminogen activator activates the plasminogen and converts it into the plasmin. And do you know the role of plasmin? Plasmin acts like a cutter. It cuts or breaks down the fibrin strand or mesh that formed during the coagulation process. So, plasmin breaks down the clot or thrombus into the fibrin degradation products, also known as fibrin split products. So remember, fibrin forms the mesh to make a clot, whereas plasmin break down the clot whenever necessary. Plasmin also clears the unnecessary fibrin deposits that may be present on the endothelial surface. Till now, we have discussed the antithrombotic, that is the antiplatelet, and anticoagulant properties of a healthy endothelial cells.